Flood. A. Usually disastrous, overflow of water from a lake or other body of water due to excessive rainfall or other input of water. Figurative, a large number or quantity of anything appearing more rapidly than can easily be dealt with. The flowing in of the tide, opposed to the ebb. A floodlight. Menstrual discharge, menses. Obsolete, water as opposed to land. To overflow, as by water from excessive rainfall. To cover or partly fill as if by a flood. Figurative, to provide, someone or something, with a larger number or quantity of something than can easily be dealt with. Internet, transitive, intransitive, to paste numerous lines of text to a chat system, in order to disrupt the conversation. To bleed profusely, as after childbirth. F L O O D. Flood.